Caffeine and Octane Day, and me and the Mad SS are rolling down there, hoping to see a lot of great cars. Mainly, I'm hoping to see more C8 Corvettes. And can you guys believe this, that we live in a world where we not only got to wear masks around people, but we live in a world where the Corvettes get more love than the Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Maseratis, or whatever. The Corvette is getting much love. So, hoping to see a lot more Corvettes out there. But we going to the show. I got a lot of things to show you guys, and just stay tuned. Oh yeah, and don't let me leave the bikes and the trucks out. You guys pull up too. So what's up, guys? I'm back and I made it to the show. And let me tell you guys, this is the largest show I have ever seen this year, because this is probably one of the last biggest shows of the year, because before it starts to get colder. But I'm just trying to find somewhere to park, and I'm probably gonna have to park very far and walk a long ways to get to the action, because there's just so many cars out here. But once I get out, guys, you guys will see what I'm talking about, and looking to get a lot of good footage here, so just stay tuned. So I'm here at the show, guys. I finally found somewhere to park, and you guys won't believe I have to walk about half a mile to get to the action. And as you see, all these cars are parked out here, and we're the late crew. So I gotta walk my way past Dillard's, all the way in between those buildings, and all the way down to the action. And I'm gonna head there, and I will see you guys later. Almost there, but here, so I'm gonna walk a little further up, and I'm gonna cut you guys back on. I do gotta say, I wasn't expecting this large of a crowd. I was expecting a large crowd, but not this large of a crowd. I came didn't come as early as I usually come. We're here now. There's a wide variety of cars out here, as always. But like I said, I haven't seen this large of a crowd this whole entire year at this event. And that's mainly due to the weather about to change. It's going to start getting colder next month. And it's a nice bike. smaller. Walk around a bit, grab a few more photos, and I will put you guys back on.
I went over there, took pictures.
Right there, that's it. That thing is immaculate.
Kind of scratched that idea because it's way too much of an investment right away. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Nice orange. Scratch. And that one. And another one.
No, it's not mine.
Next to it. I love these, man. I could buy one of these. I could afford. I would definitely get one of these. No doubt about that.
There's no way somebody actually drops that.
You guys can see that I'm very cautious with muscle cars when I come to these events. But I drive a muscle car myself. Nothing like the beauty of a classic muscle car. When I get the money, guys, you want to find me a classic muscle car that I'm going to put on the channel.
Wait, hold on. What? I didn't even see this. Oh God, it's like some Super Mario type shit right here, bro. You see it? Barstool cart. Oh God.
Yeah, I just like the wheels on old school muscle cars. I love that look. I love that look. And then, of course, with the letters on the tires. I always love that. 440 there. Emblem on there. And we will continue. Oh, and you got Gotta love the old school trucks. Gotta love the old school trucks. This has a nice red paint job on it. You know I like red because my car is red. Old school cars are always nice. In addition to the show, we have a DeLorean. You guys know this car from the pit. It's always a real treat to see a DeLorean. Looking for my next owner, that may be me, guys. Back on that. I say it's always a real treat to see a DeLorean. And show. Some more SS over there. Everybody that knows the channel knows that that's my.
These are really nice to look at, like, no doubt, you know what I mean?
Love the cars with the red paint. So I got the SS on my car. Always a very nice addition to the show. You guys may not know that one of my favorite movies is Bandit. Smokey and the Bandit is one of my favorite movies to watch. And I always love the look of the old school Trans Am. I always love the wheels on those and the emblem and the color scheme. And also the inside. I always love those dashes on these cars. If I can own one of these, I would definitely add one of these to my collection. Speaking of the Bandit, here's an actual spec car. Like I said. Common one to the show. Here is a 1993 Super. Very, very nice. There's a train going by. So there's a train going by. So 93 Super. It's also a very nice addition to the show.
You seen some of this stuff? That guy ended up here one time. And I
Has the steering wheel on the right side. So this is one that was shipped over.
Is it right?
Very nice. Here's another one with the great pads on there. Very nice look. I love the rims. Very nice. There's a Supra in the carriage. Very, very clean interior. show. Made it back to the Mad SS. Walked a long way. A lot of great cars today. A lot of great energy out here today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like. Until the next video, I'm out.